Okay, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. So, agree. Agree. To come to the same conclusions. Or thoughts. Or actions. Actions. Yeah. To be accordance with others, in accordance, thinking the same way. Thinking the same. Yeah, you and I think the same. We agree. Yeah, we agree. Yeah, so I agree with her. With her. She does not agree with her. Makes sense. Yeah. I agree with her. She does not agree with her. Yeah. They want to agree with me. They want to agree with me. Yeah. I can't agree with them. I can't agree with them. The principles are wrong. Their principles are not the same as mine. Their principles are not the same as mine. Or as mine. Or theirs. So we can't agree. We can't agree. No way. Yeah. How cool is that? So, you need to agree with me. Yeah. When you agree with me, then we will go. Then we will leave. Yeah. He agrees to be there at 3 p.m. I say be there at 3 p.m. He says be there at 3 p.m. We agree to meet. We agreed on a time to meet. He agreed on the time we should be there. I say 3 p.m. there. He says 3 p.m. there. We both agree 3 p.m. We both agree 3 p.m. there. Let's go. So that means that we say I agree, you agree, they agree, it agrees. See, it agrees with me. The machine agrees with me. It agrees with me. Look at the results. Yeah. She agrees. He agrees. Yeah, they agree together. Those two agree together. He agrees with me. She can't, or she always agrees with him. But she can't agree. She can't agree with me. She can't, so no way, agree. Can't, and the singular verb, agree. Can't do something. Can't agree. Not can't agrees. She agrees. Yes. But she can't. She cannot. Cannot what? Agree. Makes sense. He cannot agree. I cannot agree. You cannot agree. It cannot agree. Or they cannot agree on the time. Makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, very good. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, I agreed to follow you here. I agree to follow you. He is agreeing with me. He always agrees with me. Always agrees with me. Yeah. She will not agree to meet you at that time. She will not agree with you. You have to change your opinion. She will not agree with you. You'll have to change. She will not agree with you. You'll have to change. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, agree. yeah, to come to the same conclusion. Thoughts. Yeah, thoughts and actions. Action. So agree. Now, can you use agree in a sentence? Comment below and like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram and Udemy. Search for English with Adrian and Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.